What's up, guys? Welcome back to Knotty Pine Life. Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to install these Coil-On straight boots that I actually did a unboxing video of previously. For more information on that product, you can look in my content upload history and you'll see that video for that unboxing. So basically, I've already done these 3 boots, and for the sake of time, I'm going to show you just how to do this final boot here that I haven't replaced yet, because the process will obviously be the same. On this particular vehicle, I'm actually doing a valve cover replacement and changing the plugs, and I thought, since I'm in here, why not also change the boots as well. It's pretty common practice, and it's just good for periodic maintenance to do that. So as you can see here, I've already done this boot, but the boot actually starts right here. You can see it spinning. That's your straight plug boot. And of course, down on this end here, your spark plug will go, the tip of your spark plug will go into this hole. And this piece here is your coil pack. I'm not replacing the coil pack on this vehicle. So the process is really simple. You grab, well, first let's go ahead and show you how to take this old one off. So basically, you want to grab your boot and then simply pull, just like that. You'll see, here's the old boot. Here's that electrode. Now there's a fat part in the middle. There is no top or bottom. So you simply push the electrode in, and once it gets to that fat part, it automatically stops, and you'll know that's as far as it goes. So this is the old one, of course. Let's go ahead and grab the new one. Here's the new one. Here's the new coil wire or electrode, whatever you want to call it. I've took the liberty of putting a little bit of the dielectric grease on this end. It's going to connect with the spark plug. And then you're just going to go ahead and simply place that down in the boot until it stops. You'll know that's as far as you need to go. So I'm going to set that aside quickly. I'm going to grab my dielectric grease, and I'm going to grab my coil pack where the boot connects to, and I'm going to put some of that dielectric grease down in to that well. You don't need a lot. Little goes a long ways, as they say. Now, you got your coil pack, you got your straight boot, your coil boot. It's just a matter of simply putting the spring in the hole and pushing the two together firmly and then you hear a little click. You probably didn't catch it on the camera, but it did indeed click, and just like that, it's on. Very simple process, but for somebody that hasn't done it before, I hope that this video is helpful. If it was, please like it. And for more videos like this and different ones, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell. And till next time, from Knotty Pine Life, take care and we'll see you again.